make a mission names. See. First, I'll make this. I'll make up this. Oh, this is my. I'll make up my yaya now. This is my yaya. She's beautiful. She looks like beautiful.
Ang nag-vlog din na. Nag-vlog din. Isa si. Tapos, sino sa babae? Apat na nilagaya.
Look at the bee. Oh my God.
Nani ba? Wapa ka na. Tapos nani ko lang tapos kaya ito. Sama.
This is look like my yaya. I make up she'll model. She'll get married tomorrow. And she will give though. And she will marry Eduardo.
Ano lang ni guys.
And Eduardo will change mission name.
Ano guys.
Sundan guys.
Ano ni
It
guys.
is
Sundan
Eduardo.
guys.
Eduardo.
Mura na niyo guys.
Eduardo guys.
You used to like it. You wanna make up.
Pagkakot sa bahay na yun naman na. Because who are you? Nakakain lang.
Your mission name. He said, I'm your mom.
No, you're not. Saon lang tayo eh.
We're going to the prom. We're going to the prom. We're going to meet. You're going to Edselton's house.
Lah, gusto na i-cellphones din na.
We're going to Edselton's house.
No,
Ano sa kanila? Nagtatagbo ng cellphone.
very far naman.
With only this meal.
Nagbuo ko rin siya.
I'm making up my yaya. She will be so beautiful.
Hindi na nakabalunin ng namin.
She will be beautiful.
Yun ang beautiful mo siya naman.
Beautiful.
Oh, ano na may kapan?
Okay, she will
She will get married? Bako.
get married yet.
Kung saan na yan ako, bisa na may bro na espasol.
I'm making up.
Puti na may.
Wala na kita na. Usap ko na rin.
Guys, just wait.
Magdala mo sa
I'll be back. See my yaya just talking. The yaya just talk to the vlogger. Just talk to anybody. Nastuman yun na ang snake. He will be married one day. Goodbye guys. On ako daddy. Married na po ka.
Bakjam kita mami ya.
Gamay niya sa iyo.
Tumami kita mami to.
Why, pagkahumali na.
Ako nila na gamay ka. Pali ko na.
I want to put star.
Pagpong na.
Guys, nag-vlog ko.
Guys,
Ipakunong sana.
guys, nagpuksa guys.
I want in the camera.
Kamila ko din.
I want in the camera, guys. Goodbye. I will make this, guys. Hi, guys. Look at my country now. I'll make up you. You're
Ano
thinking
sa
me.
kasama?
You just get married.
Then, ikaw nag-pick up.
Pick up.
Ikaw na, nag-credit.
No.
Ikaw na.
Next.
Ikaw ba sa
You
ano?
need this. Let's do this is lipstick.
No.
What's this? What is this?
Lipstick.
Ano ba lipstick? Dumpling.
May pa magbuhat ng pancake dahil nunusal eh.
Next, I will make who wants to make up.
Uy!
Ay, ayaw na lang sa banta, daddy. To make up. I'll make up.
Ilang na, dama ka, dama.
Everyone, I just get
No, dana. Dana na siya.
make up, guys. I make up my guys. Yeah, it's super fun. My bunny. My bunny, I came to Tita Mommy's house. So guys, the vlog is not yet end yet. It will end later if we make pancakes. Say hi to my sister. Hi. Guys, bisan unsa niya istorya ng mission ni Gorilla. I'm done, guys. Oh, next. I will help her. Guys,
What time mag-church tomorrow, girls?
ha?
Simba tabong tagay. Kapitan
Oh,
ka
guys. Oh, my God.
Ikaw man lang ang sikuan, maliit na mo? 5:30 na yun, dito birthday, ganun mo nila lang ako ma. Nagturo kita simbahan, magpupuro nyo. Simba na yun.
I will help my sister.
Simbang, di ko gahapon.
Can I help you? I will help her.
No.
I will help you guys too. Okay.
No.
Oh, it's you. Mama, do not put your hand. Guys. Oh, guys, we're gonna make pancakes later. If the pancakes done, we're gonna end. Look at me. Say hi to my channel. This is my sister and my aunt. Say, both of them say hi.
Hi, guys.
They say hi. This is my Dula. Say hi. He's maybe he's bungol. This is my grandma and grandpa. Maybe they're bungol. And this is my yaya. She's bungol. This is my grandmother. This is my
Empress. Maybe she's Bugol also.
this is my grandmother. And this is my grandmother, and this is my grandfather. And this is my grandmother, and this is my grand aunt. This is my tita. Oh my goodness. And she's 55 years old, and he's 72 years old and 67 years old. What is your... Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Excuse me. What is your age?
I'm
30.
38.
And I'm 6 years old. This is my fiance. Guys, can we play hide and seek? Can you play hide and seek? Okay, I will move you guys. She comes, guys. Go, come. Okay. Guys, be quiet. Oh, guys. It's your turn to count, Hazy. Okay. 1, 2. Count to 12. Okay. Count. I will hide here. Then, I will hide here, guys. Guys, I will hide here, guys.